I'll have to cut a little bit out so it looks like we've... How's it going, bros? My name is PewDiePie. Can't start like that, can we?
No.
That's copyright.
We need to like...
To box this!
You know how every different YouTuber has like a way of like introducing themselves? It's kind of interesting.
Yes.
We should make that up.
We
should get some.
Do you know what I was thinking, right? Just someone being annoying, like, just... Like, it shows us all the time being annoying, and then someone's like, Connie, need do that? How no? And then we'll go, hi guys. Santa?
You motherfucking wish.
Ah! We're videoing it, come sit next to us. So you can
Calm,
see.
children.
We're painting.
We've not started video, don't worry. Well, we have, but we're not actually.
We're recording, but we're not recording.
So that makes kind of sense. We're trying to get the angle right.
That's actually worked out okay.
It's a bit too much on Jordan's side, right? Don't do that, please.
That's raping Sam.
I'm afraid of that.
You see what's in the background?
Actually, it might be not past raping Sam.
I can't really.
Can you see the background? You can see, yep, pretty much, yeah. So we need to make a video.
Wait, just speak in your normal voice. Just
Right.
say something. Say Assassin's Creed or Black Ops and then...
Assassin's Creed 3.
Why 3? Why 3? Why that number?
Because it's the newest one.
Oh, Black Ops 2.
Not even that yet.
And
Try again.
No, just say the names so we can see how the voices are.
Halo 4 then.
Halo 4 then. Don't
Yeah.
speak to me, speak to the camera. Say Halo 4.
Look at that.
we're not
part,
talking to
or
each
that
other
part.
like this.
What do you want?
Every now and again we can turn to each other, but we can go,
How's it going, guys? My name's Craig!
That is my cock penis.
It's my cockpit. Cock.
Cock.
That's racist when I was
Nice
racist.
drink of cock.
Ooh, it's like all separated, isn't it?
how does it separate?
Because it's like syrup and water, and it's more water than... Yeah, whatever.
Now it's all
Drink it.
together.
Drink. I don't care. I don't care.
What the fuck?
Maybe we should turn up the brightness on yours.
Maybe you should turn down the brightness on your
Maybe we
face.
should close the door. The brightness coming from there is a bit fucked up.
Why didn't you? Why
I
Ben,
closed
can
it.
you not physically do
I
that?
was about to. He just got off. I was like, fine then.
Is the bin still there?
I thought that
No,
was,
because there's
I
a
thought that was
special
Lord of the
piece
Rings, but no,
of,
it's
there's a special
Skyrim.
piece of door closing rope.
It's quite dark, actually.
It is. We need the light to be over there. It's like shining into our faces.
How's about no?
That means I'm going to have to move this one.
Why don't you do that then? Well, what good's it back there, Jordan? What good is the light back there?
For the party.
For the party.
After the party.
After the party, we'll move it.
This way. 4 degrees now.
I'm going to stop the video just now and I'll go look see.